guys, welcome back to another vlog. I just finished getting all ready for the day, well, doing my makeup for the day, but today is a very exciting day. It is my last day of classes for third year. I'm very excited to be done classes, just to do exams, get them over with. I'm just ready. I'm ready to be done school. I'm ready for summer. I'm ready for a little break. I feel like I've had it up to here with school, and I'm ready to be done school. But besides that, right after class, I actually have a little event that I'm heading out to. So I'm literally going right from class to Yaz's place, and then we'll head to the event together. That's kind of the situation for today and the plan. So I'm going to figure out an outfit and get dressed because class is in about an hour-ish. So I have a decent amount of time. I'm probably going to straighten my hair and do something with my hair. Like, she's pretty fresh, so I just have her back in a bun right now. But that's kind of the situation for today. Yeah, I think this might be like a few days in my life, or maybe like a little week in my life vlog. I'm not too sure yet. I feel like sometimes I just need to pick up the camera and vlog and see what happens. But I know that it's going to be a bit busy coming up this week with exam prep, so I might vlog a little exam prep. We'll see. Today is Thursday, but I have my first exam on Monday, April 11th. I'll be prepping for that this weekend and like tomorrow, you know? So yeah. But before I get ready, I actually wanted to do a little haul with you guys because my Thredup order just came in, and today's video is actually in partnership with Thredup, so a big thank you to them for partnering with me on today's video. But let me show you guys the pieces that I got, and we'll talk about Thredup a little bit. So Thredup is an online consignment and thrift store, and since April is Earth Month, I felt like this was the perfect time to bring Thredup to your guys' attention. Fun fact that buying just one used clothing item saves enough water that you could make an iced coffee every single day for the next 4 years. Like, that's the same water equivalent, which I think is just crazy. I mean, as someone that drinks coffee on a pretty regular basis, that's a pretty decent amount. So shopping secondhand is super important to just helping reduce your overall carbon footprint and your eco-friendly impact, and just working towards a more sustainable you. But they did give me a code for you guys, but it's just Vanessa for an extra 30% off your first order and free shipping. So let me get into the pieces that I picked up. So starting off with these stunning Sam Edelman pumps that are regular price $38.99 that I got for $31.15. I literally have been looking everywhere for just a classic stunning little nude pump, and I love Sam Edelman shoes. I already know that they fit me really well, so this was just perfect. So starting off, I got this stunning Zara bodysuit, regular price $15.99 for $12.80, and these BDG jeans, regular price $17.99 for $12.60, and then this stunning London Fog trench coat, which I have been looking for like the perfect trench, and I absolutely love this one. Regular price $60.99 that I got for $48.80. The last two pieces I got are this stunning Wilfred bodysuit, regular price $52.99 that I got for $37.10, which I think is insane. I'm such a sucker for Wilfred and Aritzia. And then these Zara jeans, regular price $23.99 that I got for $19.20. But again, a big thank you to Thredup for partnering with me on today's video. You guys can go use my code Vanessa for an extra 30% off your first order and free shipping. But I'm also going to figure out my outfit for tonight now, because honestly, I'm not sure what the vibes are going to be. It's like a dinner event, and I don't know if it's like fancy or like dress and skirt situation, or if it's like jeans and heels situation. I think it might be more of a jeans and heels situation, but I'm not too sure. That's kind of what I'm feeling. I'm just more of like a jeans and heels girl anyways, versus like skirts and dresses. In the summer are cool, but like it's only 7 degrees out today, so like it's sunny and it's warm and it's beautiful, but it's not warm, you know? Like, it's warm for April, but not like warm. So I feel like jeans are probably going to be my go-to, but I'm gonna get ready and do my hair, and then we'll head out. Currently about to head out, so this is the look, and then I'm gonna be wearing those little Sam Edelman heels that I got. Of course, just my look. It started raining. Looking like a little bit of a wet rat now. Solid. So hopefully Yaz has a hairdryer I can use before we have to head out to the event. Because I would rather not show up to the event looking like a wet rat. I mean, I could slick it back into a bun, worst case scenario, but this is not ideal.
Sometimes we shake a little, sometimes we let it all out. Or if we made a little, bet we would figure it out. The head of man ain't gold. Oh, Miss Touch turns cold. 'Cause you got 20/20 and I don't see it straight. Pictures of white picket fences on a pearly lake. You know it's gonna be a while. So why you in a rush to try? As we got older, you left me on your bedroom floor. It got much colder since we found that hole in the wall. If you needed to, you never choose to follow through. Where were you? Okay, sometimes I shake a little, sometimes it's all alright. But when the devil visits and me and Jesus fight over endless conversations, I never sleep on time. As we got older, you left me on your bedroom floor. It got much colder since we found that hole in the wall. If you
Good morning, you guys. So it's the next day. Alan and I were going to head to Neo to go just do a little coffee shop date work. Coffee, it's raining. It's raining again. A little coffee date work. I can't speak this morning. Alan and I were going to go to Neo for a little coffee and work date, but it was pretty busy, so we're heading on our way to go try Mosmos. How do you pronounce it? Mosmos for the first time? Probably. We're trying to decide because there's a few now that we're thinking we could walk to try out, but that is what is up this morning.
you never choose to follow through. Where were you? In the wrong direction. We're moving at the speed of light. In the wrong direction. And UFOs are taking flight. In the wrong direction. 'Cause you see me like an nerd.
All right, I just got home, took off my makeup, put on some cozy clothes. I always find that when I get home from like a day out that I'm literally freezing, so I just put on this literal giant hoodie. I don't know why I'm so cold, but I'm gonna make dinner now because it is dinner time. I'm thinking of just doing like a sheet pan situation, something easy that I can throw in because I do have a lot of work to do still tonight. Just start prepping for exams, and like I still have one more lab report due on Monday morning. So that's kind of the situation. I'm thinking just something pretty easy for dinner. Yeah, I find sheet pans are normally like more of a winter go-to, but like they're so easy to toss together and like get in the oven and get dinner done. But honestly, it was a pretty productive day. I was able to get like a decent amount of work done while I was at the coffee shop with Alan, which is always really nice because I find sometimes it's like either or. Either we're like chatting the entire time and I get like nothing done, or like we're both zoned in and focused and I get like a ton of stuff done, which that was more of the case today, which was really good because I really needed to get stuff done.
Never should've let me in. 'Cause we got older, you left me on your bedroom floor. It's been much colder since we found that hole in the wall. If you needed
So for dinner, I just did some chicken and then little red potatoes with broccoli, red pepper, and onion, all with garlic and then some Italian seasoning and salt and pepper, of course. And I feel like you guys know the drill by now. I'm such a creature of habit, but Netflix, dinner. So we are probably going to watch Outer Banks because I'm on episode 7. I've been watching it. It's been pretty good. So far, I'm enjoying it. So that is probably the plan for this evening, is to watch this and then get some work done after. It is Tuesday now. I didn't end up vlogging the last few days just because I ended up getting really busy prepping for my exam that was yesterday that I think went really well. I'm really glad it went well because not that I was worried about it because it was my business exam, but it went well, and that's always a good feeling, you know? But today is mostly studying. Again, my next exam is on Friday, so that's kind of what is up today. The situation is just literally going to be studying. It's beautiful outside though. It is the warmest that it's been so far yet this year. It's like 17 out today, so I might end up going for a walk or something later just to like stretch my legs because I went to the gym yesterday, so I'm not gonna go today. But yeah, that's kind of what is up. 1 down, 4 to go. I feel like that was my easiest exam that was out of the way first, which kind of sucks because I would have liked to get a harder one out of the way, but it's okay. It is what it is. We're just gonna keep working hard and figuring it out. But we are so close to being done, and if you're currently writing exams or exams are coming up, or even if you're done exams, I hope they went well. But you all got this. Just study hard, work hard, and you got this. I feel like that's just what I have to keep telling myself too, that it's just like study hard, work hard, and however you do is how you do. You put in your best foot forward, and that's all that really matters. But I'm going to study now. I guess fill up my water bottle too because it's kind of empty. But yeah, like I said, that's kind of the situation and the plan for today. Otherwise, not much is going on. I just got this little trail mix from Costco. It's the Prana brand. This is literally my second bowl of it today, but I just wanted to share this because it literally is so good. I'm kind of obsessed, but it's got like walnuts and dark chocolate and almonds and I want to say peanuts and then cranberries and raisins. Literally everything that I love in a trail mix. So good. If you have a Costco near you, try it out. It is almost 4:30, so I will probably end up heading outside soon. I'm thinking maybe make like an afternoon tea and then just go and like sit outside and soak up some sun for a little bit, because my pale skin needs some vitamin D in its life, because winter with no sun is so hard. I'm not gonna lie, like I just love being able to sit outside and like soak up the sun when it's like mediocrely, is that a word? But like anyways, kind of warm. Like I love summer, but I hate like sweltering, or when it's so super humid, like when it gets to be like 30 and 35 is too much. I feel like 17, 18, 19, 20, where I can wear like a sweater and it's just like warm when the sun is shining, is beautiful. That's kind of like ideal, you know? I'm not gonna lie, since I've been on a no coffee kick, afternoon teas have literally been lifesavers. Going for this little green tea lemon mint because not too much caffeine, but just something that gives me a little boost to keep on studying through the rest of the late afternoon and evening. I find that this is like the perfect combo. I think it's got like 25 milligrams of caffeine or something like that. So not a whole lot, but like just a little bit. Decided to take my tea and sit outside in the warmth. Obviously we don't have the patio set up yet, so we just have a little chair, but I'm probably just gonna sit on the steps here. Just because it's been colder this April than it has been the last few Aprils. Like normally at this time I'm like studying outside already, like for exams and stuff. So it's definitely been cooler this year than last year. There's an airplane going overhead somewhere over there. We're like right in airplane central here. That's actually pretty loud, but I'm just gonna sit outside, drink my tea for a little bit. I didn't bring my phone or anything out here. I'm just gonna sit and enjoy the sun and the warmth before it gets cold again this weekend. Alright you guys, I'm gonna end off the vlog here just because the rest of the evening is honestly gonna be the same. I'm just gonna be studying all night because it's exam season and that's what is up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little few days in my life. Hopefully I will see you guys in the next video, and I love you all so much. Bye!